Hey there! Today we're diving into a bit of a head-scratcher of a problem that can arise in C++ code. The issue at hand lies in the behavior discrepancy between different compilers, specifically GCC and Clang, when running a particular piece of code. On GCC 11.0.40, the program outputs 1 as expected, while on Clang 14.0.0 it crashes with a segfault. Quite the puzzle, right? Now, let's delve into the solution that sheds light on this enigma. The root cause of the problem stems from the undefined behavior triggered by the uninitialized state of the standard streams, such as stead, cout. These streams are not automatically initialized for immediate use. To ensure their proper initialization before usage, we need to take matters into our own hands. By introducing a stead ios_base_init instance within the constructor of class B, we can guarantee that stecout is ready and operational when needed. In summary, ensuring the proper initialization of standard streams is crucial to prevent undefined behavior in C++ programs, as highlighted by the mysterious discrepancy between GCC and Clang. By taking charge of the initialization process through the use of stead ios_base_init, we can avoid unexpected crashes and ensure the smooth execution of our code. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time.